Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can turn into a rolling ball and grow a garden game of Roblox with new pet. Okay, let's get into it guys. As we know that the Safari update in Grow a Garden has been dropped, and then you will be able to get this pet called Armadillo pet. Wait, let me show you the pet, this one guys. And this pet can turn your avatar into a ball. And I have already turned into a ball, and now I have already been back to the normal form. I'm going to view the ability of this armadillo pet. As you can see that it can roll into a ball and transform you into armadillo ball for 30 seconds. Okay, and you can get this pet guys from the season pass, and you can reach level 2 to get this armadillo, and I have already claimed it. And yeah, I can use it for fun because it can turn my form into a ball. And when you are a ball, you can move faster. And okay guys, that's how we can turn into a ball with the armadillo pet and grow a garden game of Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you.